Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet a very simple and a very easy and a quick stitch. As you can see, I'm going to make half double crochet, and then I'm going to make a box stitch, then a cross stitch. So this one you can use for your cushions especially. So let's see, and let's get started. I'm going to chain 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then I'm going to make half double crochet in each of these stitches. Then see, this is how it's going to look like. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Over here, yarn over, and from 1 and 2, chain 1, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 again, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we have 1, 2, 3 over here. There, this is the one. To chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Come right here. You can see this is how it's going to look like. Not here, but this one. Go back to the first one, chain 1, yarn over, see, you're going to go there, yarn over, again, chain 1, yarn over. We're not going to skip this one and go into this, but we're going to in the next one, first chain, yarn over, chain 1, come right here, there, make chain 1. So this is how it's going to look like. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to make a fifth one, you can go ahead and make it. For example, yarn over, go all straight there, then again back here, as so, then chain 3, and we're going to make box stitch inside. One in the middle, chain 1, again that box stitch, chain 1, and then come right here, chain, so as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. We have a half double crochet, box stitch and cross stitch and a box stitch. So we have the same formula over here. You can see the same thing. So you can use this one as well as for your scarves, for your cushions, and for your crochet projects that you love to make. If you have an idea, then you can go ahead. So I hope you like this video. Till next time, please like, share and subscribe to my video. Bye bye.